websites, German dogs, English dogs, yeah, I don't know, the English dogs, yeah, why not? Okay, so let's say I'm writing or I'm creating a mass page, or it could also be a stack, cloud stack with that's about dogs. So I'm going down here to Wikipedia, and I want Wikipedia contents. So I'd search for dog, and I want to have I'm building a page or website that has 3 pages in this case. So if I click preview, I can see German, English, and Danish dogs. So there was a concern from one of the users about what do we do. We have, in this case, then we have the same Wikipedia content on all pages. So that's why I decided to implement the spin tags for Wikipedia content. So the way that this works is, let me actually show you. I click generate. The way that this works is that YACSS will now use your API key from the either spin rewriter or Word AI that you entered in the API section. And when I go to my websites, I will show you dogs for us. So I now have about dog, the pet dog, blah, 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 blah. Likewise, the residential dog, the domestic dog, Danish dogs, blah, blah, blah. So now it's not the same content. It is the same, but it's in spin tag. So it's a variety. So it's not word by word the same content. And of course, that's a big, it makes a big difference actually. So also, let's say that you're building using, let's say that you're using the mass page builder to build a local website. So local site, and I don't know. So probably if you're using YACSS mass page builder to build local websites, you're probably using tokens. So you can replace the token with your city keywords, but let's just say city 1, city 2, city 3, I don't know. Or it could also be, instead of city 1, it could actually be plumbing, cleaning, house renovation. So let's say I'm building a mass page that has these 3 titles. Let's click preview. So now I want plumbing. So I click plumbing. No, not plumbing. I want it to be from a city. Sorry. Let's see here. Alabama. Yeah, let's see, Alabama state. Let's see here. What is the? Oh, yeah. So Montgomery is the capital of Alabama. I think that this is. Isn't there Montgomery County? That's not so much. That's actually not so much text. And that's of course because I'm on the Danish Wikipedia. Sorry for that. Google Wikipedia. Here, let me check the English version. Montgomery. Yeah, here it is. So let me use this one here. Montgomery, Alabama. Copy. And I search for this, and it's found. So I want Wikipedia, I want to spin, and then I click the generate. So now it goes out to Wikipedia, downloads the content, and makes spin tags of it. Let's see here what that will look like. So now I have plumbing, and it's in Montgomery. So Montgomery is the capital state, blah, blah, blah. Name for Continental Army Major, blah, 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 blah. And a cleaning page. it's slightly different, and again in house renovation it's slightly different. So this is actually very nice because you can now combine. Again, let me. You know what? Let me actually regenerate this site, because so now I have the Montgomery keyword, right? Check. Yep, found. So let me go to local, fetching information, Alabama, plumbing. So let's take these guys here, and let's things to do. And let's take plumbing, like this, and not pluming, but plumbing. And let's actually go back to Wikipedia, because I wanted to have unfolded sections so that you can look. Now, so now you can see what that looks like. So regenerates. And let's go to my websites. Oops, sorry, check view. So plumbing, and so plumbing is of course the title, and this is information about Montgomery. And you will notice that before, the information about Montgomery was inside of the accordion, but it's not inside of the accordion anymore. Instead, inside of the accordion, we now have the things to do. We have the driving directions from the company that I just found, and then we have the map embeds and the reviews for their Google Business Profile. So as you can see, actually, I mean, I did nothing basically, and I already have a page with a lot of information. I have things to do, I have driving directions, I have reviews, I have map embeds, and then I have the spin tags about Montgomery. That is the founding city of the U.S. state of Alabama. So I just want to show you that I think this is a very good update, because myself, I was also concerned about the possibility of having, the same identical content on all pages. That's not typically something that Google appreciates very much. If we have the exact same content on all pages, it will have it would be difficult to index. So yeah, so let me just show you now that I have you. It's not something that I'm not done with this yet, but I'm working on elaborating on this Wikipedia entity generation. So what I did now was I implemented a sorting and a relevance score for all of the entities that we find. So for those of you that have not tried to use this yet, what it is that it's a connection to the Wikipedia database. So I search for dog, that's the Wikipedia keyword. And then I click process, and then it finds all of the entities that are linking to the page dog. So if I go to Wikipedia, so this is the dog page, right? So if I click up here on tools, and I click on what links here, so we have automated that all of the links that are pointing into this page here, the dog page, the anchor text will be separate entities, and that's what we implemented. So that's what you see here: wolf, coyote, felidae, pinidid, jackal, wolverine, dole, dog, leopard, mammal, and so on and so forth. All of these are entities in itself that are linking into the dog page, and in turn are related to the entity dog. And what's new in this is that we now have sorted them by relevance. So you can see the relevance score here, here, and here. So these are the entities that are linking into dog. These are the entities that dog is linking to. So let's go back. So you can see dog is linking to domesticated, is linking to wolf, is linking to late Pleistocene, hunter-gatherers, species, humans, and so on and so forth. But of course, not all of these entities are super related to dog. development of agriculture, for example, is not super duper related to dog, right? It is related in the sense of the storytelling of where did the dog come from. But it is, if you're writing an article about dog grooming, then probably you would not mention development of agriculture in your article. You would not mention that. So that's why I decided to implement this relevance score. And what you want to use is the combined list, because the combined list contains all of the entities from this column and from this column sorted by relevance. So you have all of the entities that's linking to the dog entity and all of the entities that dog is linking out to. So in and out. And this is the combined list. So it will be a very long list. See down here how many it is. So these are the anchor text of all the links. So this is actually extremely good, because you can use this for your article writing, ChatGPT, schemawriter, server SEO, whatever it is, wherever it is that you're writing about dogs in this case. You can also see search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. Let's check that. So you can see here, page rank, meta element, search engine optimization, robots.txt, nofollow. So this is kind of like an entity engine where you actually get all of the related entities just for free. We just give it to you. So I'm working on, I'm not done with this yet. So I'm working on polishing it and fine-tuning it, because I have big plans for this feature that I'm going to show you over the next couple of weeks. So this is a feature that you would want to watch out for. Once I'm completely done with this, I will also implement it. It is implemented already in the first version here in YACSS. Once I'm completely done in schemawriter doing all of this, I will also upload it to YACSS. So if you are subscribing to YACSS but not schemawriter, you'll have access to the same tools. So so watch out for this, guys. This is a game changer when you're writing articles, because you can see here search engine optimization. You can go down to, let's say, in this case 57%. So all of these entities here super related to search engine optimization, and these are all entities. And I can assure you that if you ask ChatGPT to find the top, was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the top 25 entities, ChatGPT will not be able to recognize these top 25 entities. It will, of course, find some of them, but for sure not all of them. And these are the 25 most relevant entities that you will be able to find by browsing inside of Wikipedia. So that's just the update video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care, guys.